Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it has been ages since I've put out any videos, and I'm so sorry for that. 2023 is going to be a huge year for us. We've got heaps planned. We've got some bike reviews coming up, actually jumping on some bikes tomorrow out at Bike Biz, so stay tuned for that. Hopefully this weather holds out. It's been horrible here today in Sydney, and that's why we're doing this video. Now today, we can't get out on any bikes, but I thought we would go and have a look around at a few of the dealerships here in Sydney. I am in the market for a new bike. Hopefully we can do a build series on the channel this year. So yeah guys, we're at Northside Motorcycles at the moment. They have Triumph and Aprilia, so we're going to check out their bikes. And we're also going over to Sydney City Motorcycles in Lane Cove. They got some pretty special bikes over there, I believe. They got some Ducatis, Suzuki, Kawasaki, what else they got? Honda as well. So yeah guys, it's going to be a great year, so stay tuned. I hope you enjoy this quick short video. Let's go. Alright guys, we got the Trident 660s from Triumph. Love these bikes. We've also got this special edition Scrambler 1200 James Bond edition. We've got this Tiger 1200, going to be riding one of them tomorrow. We got this absolutely stunning Rocket 3 all chromed out. I just think these look awesome. I've done a full review on this bike as well on the channel, check that out. What else we got? We got the Triumph Street Triple RS. Absolutely awesome bike. Love these bikes. They've got a great range of X-Lite helmets. I've also been using one of these lately. We got the classic Bonnevilles over here. Great looking bikes. Need to get on some of these and do some reviews of the older bikes as well. Just love the classics. Alright, over to Sydney City now. This is the Kawasaki corner. We've got some Z900 RSs. Hopefully do a review on these very soon as well. Stunning bikes. We've got the Ducati streetfighter V4 and a 1200 Monster. Looks awesome. I absolutely love them in black. If I was to get one, I think I'd have to get it all blacked out. We've got the Ducati Desert X. Haven't ridden one of these yet. Hopefully soon though. Looks interesting. We've got the Kawasaki ZX10RR. We've also got the Showstopper. This is a Ducati Street Fighter SP. What a machine. Look at those wheels. Absolutely stunning. We've also got a couple of new monsters over there. And we've also got the Panigale V4 SP as well. Looks just absolutely stunning. Look at that bike, just absolutely gorgeous. And they've also got a great range of helmets. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Yeah, nice and short, quick video today guys, but tomorrow we're going to be out reviewing some bikes, so stay tuned for that. Also, send us a comment guys, what you want to see on the channel, some bikes that you want me to review. It's always helpful. And yeah guys, so tell me, what was your favorite bike in that little video today? I love that Street Fighter SP. I think it's my favorite bike, like at least for the last 5 or 6 years. Also loving that 1200 Monster. I've got my eye on that bike. Who knows, we might be able to do a bike build this year. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you later.